Hello everybody, in this video we will resolve an error that appears when we put manual IP addresses in Windows 10. A message appears, save IP settings, check one or more settings and try again. How to resolve this problem? Let's start. We are using Windows 10. Click on Set Box and search here Control Panel. Control Panel will appear. Now open Control Panel. This window will appear. Now click here and sort by category. Here you will find View Network Status and Tasks. Click on it. On left side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you will find Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it and go to Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4. This window will appear. Now select Use the following IP addresses. Now put your IP address manually and enter your subnet mask and gateway also. Enter the DNS IP address in DNS section and press OK button. By applying this process, your problem should be resolved. Now check the IP address, go into Open Network and Internet Setting and check the properties of internet connection. Scroll down to see the IP address that we manually assigned. You can see here IP address has been assigned.